Welcome to the info with me, ODYS Thanos, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch to Camera app from double press the power button on this device. So now, as we can see, this feature is turned off, and to activate it we should launch the settings application, and after that scroll to the system section, then just click here to the gestures and tap to jump to camera. Now just to activate this feature, you should click here only once to this feature, and now just to quickly open camera, we should double press to our power key button, and now we can see that the camera app is turned on. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.